Is your agency platform feeling sluggish, cluttered, or are you just tightening up your data privacy? Let's clear out that recent data. First things first, log into your agency account. Make sure you have your username and password ready. This will take you to the main dashboard. Now, look for the settings or configuration icon. It usually looks like a gear or a set of sliders. Click on it to open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, find the data management or privacy section. The name might vary slightly depending on your agency version, but it should be something related to data control. Once you're in the data management section, you'll typically see options to clear different types of data. Look for Clear Cache or a similar button. Caches store temporary data to help the platform load faster, but they can build up over time. Click the Clear Cache button. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Read it carefully, and if you're ready, confirm your action. Next, look for options to clear logs or delete temporary files. Logs record activities within agency, and temporary files are, well, temporary. Clearing these helps free up space. Click on the Clear Logs or Delete Temporary Files button. Depending on what's available, you might see a progress bar as the data is being cleared. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how much data there is. Once the process is complete, you should see a success message confirming that the data has been cleared. Congratulations, you've successfully cleared your agency recent data.